Okay. Coming out to the X tree. Got big body in the cut.
Yo, what's good? What's good, yo?
About to get some content for the big body super folks. We just got some freshies in.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, so those are gonna be sitting right. They're gonna be sitting right. Got some 10.5s and some 9.5s.
Contact us for
At 20.
wheels.
Yeah, if you guys want wheels, let us know. Custom made. We're about to go on a ride to see what's up here. Go ahead and get them a cold start, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Get them a cold start.
You started up in Sport? You started up in Sport Plus?
Oh, no. Nah, that was cool.
Oh.
Why, you supposed to start it up before class?
Yeah.
Make that nice little room.
No, to make the noise, to make the turbo make the whistle like that. Alright, we out. Man, this door ain't open in a while.
X tree. Ready.
Let's see, got my back there.
Man, I can't wait to get these rims on.
I'm gonna make the car look super sick.
They're not ready for it.
Yeah.
We outside in the daytime today. Still got a little bit of sun.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah,
Love when that boosted.
that shit eating.
That boosted.
Screamer pipe sounds crazy. I made him make me a screamer pipe too.
Yeah, 100%. Changed the whole sound.
Yeah. Alright, good, you right?
Careful, gotta be careful.
Sir.
Pop, pop, pop.
That shit sounds crazy.
Your shit would have sounded like a fucking minigun if I would have did that.
Really?
Your shit would have been pop, 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 pop. Like this shit, a couple little things and go.
Oh yeah. Cause you were driving it in Sport Plus all the way, fully.
Nah,
race mode.
individual. That's
Individual?
the way you set it up.
Yeah, but
I was like, oh, okay, but this is how he liked to drive.
when you start out, I did that when I first got the car. Like
You did what?
you set individual like whatever you want. So the last thing you leave it on, that's what it'll go to. That's why I have it. But I never really use it. I just put it in Sport Plus all the time.
You gotta keep that in Sport Plus. Especially if the trans is tuned right.
Yeah.
That's feel good anyway.
Yeah, but it's just
It's a little bit extra jerky, but nothing too crazy.
yeah, but
Yeah.
I like the extra jerk. But the thing about it is, it's just the car, the exhaust is so damn loud. That's why I just drive on comfort, because I can't stand and listen to that loud ass shit. It drones like a motherfucker going through all them damn gears with the stage 3 trans too.
That shit drones like a motherfucker. With the exhaust you have now, but it's gonna be straight.
Yeah, that's already fixed. Friday is gonna get fixed, and then we put on the bumper and we're outside.
That's it. Yeah, so.
turbo make noise? Like go like that? Give it like a double tap? Yeah, that shit's nasty. Shit don't even, it's not supposed to come from a truck. I would do that right here. This is a bad spot.
That's an op station right there.
Yeah, no.
I wonder if there's an op right here.
Nah, ops don't have taillights out. Well, hell yeah, bro. Alright. This sounds good though. That T51R. But it's probably because it's so down low.
Well, as soon as you get into full on boost, you don't.
But that sounds way better than my shit. That's like
screamed.
Yeah.
But you still sound good. I mean.
Nah, I can't wait, bro. I can't wait for the top out. I just don't know, bro.
Parking lot,
Right here.
No, I know, but we're really low key.
Trackhawk.
Hell no, bro.
Alright. Why you say M1 still, bro?
Bro, I don't know. I gotta do like that. Either way, it's still in the same gear.
Shit got all the race cars pulling up here.
Yeah, hell yeah. All the race cars, son. Pull up, make a statement. Sound like a fucking fighter jet you pull up.
Hell yeah.
Let's go put some E in the body, my girl. Let's go put some E in the body, girl.
There's some E85 right here. This E is the best E in the city, though. This
in the racetrack.
This in the racetrack, yeah, over there.
Some snack, my little bug there.
Hell yeah. When I want no snack.
Boom, bakla. I know the bad man, not the. No.
No.
You pay.
Fredo, where you at, Fredo?
You pay, nigga. All you gotta do is open it up to see where you think where it probably is. Right there on the corner.
Right here in the corner?
It didn't do shit.
Nah, it didn't hit shit. I hit it soft. Rasclat.
Yes, Rasclat.
Rasclat, I almost ruined the car. No, sir. That's not good.
No, it's at the extra.
Ding. You see that prank where the lady was like, police. You take my info. Yeah, motherfucker.
And then the wife chasing his ass around.
Yeah, that shit was crazy. We're back here again. Last video was here, y'all. Y'all see it. You know what's up. We got the yellow. Bro, get the... Oh, shit. That shit about to blow? What the fuck? You can't change the color of the daytime running lights? No?
No other color looks good. Yellow.
Really?
Swear to God.
Nigga, I'll pick...
Everything else looks so crazy. Every color, think about it. Like, if you don't have it yellow, if you don't look at the CS or regular, then it's not gonna look OEM. It's gonna look kind of like, I don't know.
Yeah, but it'll look cool.
It's not my cup of tea, and I'll tell everybody on the.
I don't even like the yellow, to be honest.
No, that's straight, cause your shit, you know, you gotta be valid to have the CSL shit.
Yeah.
You need, you know.
I get that shit off Alibaba Temu for $6.
Hell no.
Man, you be lying to them people. I put some E88 in your shit, bro. We got E88, bro. You better get that shit.
It's not E88, it's E15.
I know. One day I almost thought it was E88. I almost got that shit, bro. But when he told me I was on E30 though, I put this shit in my car, bro, and I got.
This shit's perfect.
No, it wasn't.
That
It
premix
wasn't.
nice.
It wasn't E30 though.
Oh, it's probably a little less.
It was like E28, and it fucked up my car.
Probably a little less. You got a bathroom in this bitch? Come on.
I don't think so, bro.
Look at that.
Pretty sure.
Look at them fucking burst.
Dude.
Oh, they do.
Anybody in the deli? I need a Philly cheese.
They have
Bro, look at this shit, bro.
They have the Jamaican drink. Hi, how's it going?
You know what a nigga would do for these, bro? Bro, where do you find these at, bro? You never find these, bro. But they should have been like ranch flavored or some shit. What are you gonna get? A fucking
I think you should good, but look, that really made me a sip. When they got the Jamaican shit.
Yeah, them
Which one's good? Pink lemonade?
Nah,
Or
hell.
fruit punch or mango?
Guava.
Guava? No.
Guava
Probably
bussin'.
not. Probably not.
Nah, guava bussin', bro. Or pineapple with. Nah, that shit nasty.
Might gotta do mango.
We could do mango.
I
That
just
shit-
want to taste that shit. And
That's
it's
just
all
like
good. I wanna put it
$5
back.
though. You can straight on that drink. That drink is like $5.
Bro, I'm not tripping about that. I want to make sure this shit tastes good.
Nah, that's really good. But
This one good? Alright.
it's like $5. You sure with that?
Yes, bro. Holy fuck.
Shit's too expensive, bro.
Hell yeah.
Don't get us kicked out the store,
Hell
bro.
yeah.
You should have got the bubble. Bro, you like boba tea, bro? I just don't like it, bro. It has the balls in your mouth, bro. I can't be doing that shit, bro. Like, I tried it and almost threw up, bro. It was like...
The boba tea shit?
Yeah, at the car meet, they were giving it out for free. Like, I don't know. But no candy, bro. No candy. Man teeth rotten. I love candy too much, dog. Ooh, get these, though.
No.
These are the best gummy bears in the world. Ooh.
No.
You eat sweet tarts, you fucking nasty kid.
Bro, they don't got the ting that I'm looking for.
What candy?
They don't got the ting.
Alright, just get these. Yeah, the octopus holes, that shit what made me send me to the
Charlies.
You never had these though? These hit like crazy. These hit better than any candy
These
you
are
ever.
these.
Those hit better than any candy in the world.
Nah, you lying. Alright, bet we're gonna try them out then.
Trying to teach this kid something, man.
Bro, I got a sticky
What is that? Mango?
That looks like that good mango.
This shit look like poison. Yeah, I'll show you, man.
Don't smack.
Huh? Oh, you on the phone?
So I got my chain from y'all. I got that, I'm getting that rollie.
Here, take this while I use the bathroom real quick.
You using the bathroom?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Hey, bring them with you. Cause you got your seatbelt on, bro.
There's a hop right there.
Well, run from him, bro.
No, I'm just talking shit. That could be a hop. It's just a Ford Explorer.
Just run, bro. Yeah, ain't getting no power for no reason, bro. You gotta run. Don't be scared to run.
Crazy, my friend. You crazy.
You wanna go fast, you ain't scared to run. Right?
If I ever get caught up in some shit like that, I'm 100% taking off on his ass, but I don't want to have to put myself in a position like that. I'm only doing that if I'm really like street racing. You guys get me?
Every time you
Taking
street
off
race,
so fast.
every time you street race, you gotta put yourself in that position.
That's gonna be that first time hitting 200 in this shit.
No, you better hit 200. We better learn. No, you don't need to hit 200 in this bitch. You better learn how to disappear in this bitch. Make as many corners and
on the highway though. Taking off, you going 180, 190 down the street, then take an exit. You just gotta create far enough gap to where they don't see you.
we gotta get off the
Then you get off.
I'm gonna get off the 95 before they bring out the chopper.
Chopper can't even catch the X-ray.
You crazy. Chopper could catch anything because it got heat signatures.
Bro, this shit is one of The X3 is equivalent to one of them damn dinosaurs from Jurassic World, nigga. Like, it can't be read by a heat seeker or nothing. This is just a whole different type of fighter jet type shit. This is like an abomination, like Jurassic World dinosaur type shit.
Yeah.
This is some different monster shit. Let's get this grub, bro.
Get that food right now. Let's do it.
Smells good.
Oh yeah, that E smells beautiful. Oh yeah, this is that brass wings, guys.
Ooh, oh my god. I don't think they take
So y'all, Danny was bragging about these fries, right?
fire.
These fries are they alright. These fucking
Cajun seasoning.
Cajun seasoning hitting with them. I ain't gonna lie. But
for sure.
when you dip it in the barbecue sauce,
Yeah.
they hitting. Without the barbecue sauce, when you run out of barbecue sauce,
Yeah, it's over.
they mid as fuck.
That's
And
okay.
these fries you could literally get from fucking Publix
But no.
for $2.
No.
You can warm it up.
Nah, these are homemade. They are homemade by Brass Ring.
Shit. Oh
Raw Palmyra.
shit.
Oh shit.
But yeah. These fries not worth it, man.
So he been saying the fries not working, been eating them the past 10 minutes though.
But listen,
Keeps taking another bite.
I'm trying to figure out what's so good about them. What the fuck is so good about them? Because these are some basic ass motherfucking fries. Dumb ass fries, bro. These fries are soggy, bro.
You heard him? He said he's trying to figure out what's good about them.
Even when I make these fries, I make them crispier. You feel me?
That shit got crunch. That shit got crunch.
Man, I think I might just leave you with one fry.
Man, show him the carbon in the mouth we're into.
Man.
Carbon. It's an X3 dripped in carbon. OEM.
I didn't care about the carbon.
I didn't even put any of this in there.
We're trying to tell them about your motherfucking fries that you just made us go so far for. We went so fast just to get these fries.
I'm gonna smack your ass because you keep eating my goddamn fries.
And these shit are mid. I mean, the little pieces, bro, so you don't, they doesn't matter.
Oh no. I'm about to go crazy on your fries. Watch.
Yo, oh shit. That's how I think.
Put the hands on the knees. I can't believe we're about to clear the fries by the time we get to the crib.
Yeah, bro, this shit gotta be an ASMR video too, bro.
Yeah, they're hearing you sucking dick all up over there in the camera, bro. Damn. Back up out the camera.
Yo, tighten up, bro.
Back up out the camera.
Straight
You smacking lips over there, man.
Straight Jamaicans. Straight Jamaicans watch this shit, bro.
Yeah, when they over here. Yo, we just here slopping over there.
No dick sucking, no slopping, none of that good shit.
You over there.
Smacking with coochie eating over here, man. I just started coochie eating.
You over here eating coochie over there in the camera.
Oh, yeah, man. Bro,
Oh my god.
I watch that nigga, man.
How about you?
Alright, bro, these fries are poop.
Alright, let me ask you.
We about to wrap them up.
I gotta get me the last little bits.
Out the window with those fries.